Go USA! Come on, man. You can't miss this one. It's beautiful too. It's almost like a US embassy actually. The lineup is actually not that long. It's only like 10 minutes. So if you can't make it to USA, at least you can just come here. At this pavilion, you get a good dose of American water, Aquafina. It's actually owned by Pepsi. It's owned by Pepsi. Yeah. It's just water. Maybe another like 10 minutes or so. Less than 10 minutes, I have a feeling. Yeah. The pavilion promotes the idea that freedom enables creativity, innovation, and opportunity in the United States, thereby showcasing a dynamic society that has shaped the modern world and support the freedom and prosperity for everyone.
Benjamin Franklin, American venture alumnus. At this, we should.
The visitors are taken on a journey through the first three major exhibits via a moving walkway that meander through the pavilion. These exhibits focus on how freedom creates opportunity for all.
Personal computing and the internet entered the offices, homes, and hands of people around the globe, envisioned and developed by American dreamers. There are 3.2 billion computers built into the smartphones that sit in the pockets and homes of people everywhere. Immediate access to information, distances that had once kept us separated. At the 1893 Chicago World's Fair, Nikola Tesla
Help mitigate climate change and drive solutions here.
Urban space are one ecosystem really. We are part of each other, and figuring out how to grow things in a much more harsh environment and space is going to help us grow things in harsher environments. And is to use the harsh and unique environment of space to help mitigate some of the greatest challenges that we face here on Earth, from climate change to food scarcity.
Announce the Star Lab Research Center.
Important for me to share my story. This idea that if I can do it,
drones made possible by decades of work will change the world. Supercharging the next generation.
National parks. My favorite is the Yellowstone. My family actually lives in the United States, and something that makes me proud because the US is the most important country on the planet, from keeping the world safe to going to Mars, internet, and everything in between. Oh yeah. The exhibition includes a dynamic digital presentation on America's history of innovation, a fun ceiling display science narrative, a replica of Mars Opportunity Rover, and a moon rock sample collected by American astronaut Jack Schmitt during the Apollo 17 mission. So this is also a place you can touch a piece of moon rock. There we go. So I just touched the moon rock. I actually did it before in Washington DC, but oh, I forgot. My favorite, an enormous replica of space rocket and a good old American diner for all of you to get the classic burgers and fries. No McDonald's, please. Given I have a flight to catch in the evening, I decided to put a hold on walking and use the free shuttle to get to my next pavilion. Time is picking, so I pay a super quick visit to Croatia Pavilion in the Mobility District. The pavilion features some of the greatest minds from Croatia and see how some of them have influenced today's world, from natural beauties and resources to arts and culture. I heard they got a nice car there waiting for me. I think I need to get a salary increase to be able to afford this one. So please guys, say some good things to my boss. Nauru, a country that I always want to check out. So let's see what over here. Well, nearby is a pavilion for Nauru, promoting essential mineral for the clean energy industry. Beside the country is Tanzania, promoting its natural beauty or potential tourism opportunity.